ያለች እኮ መልካም ሰላም ምናምን እንዳለ መልካምማ ከልጅነት ወጥራ ያዘችኝ አይደል? ምንድናት? የጎጃሜ ናት። ገብረ መድናኘው ምን ጎጃሜ ነው? ምን ነው ነጥቦቹን ማያያዝ ነው። ዓመተ ምህረት በዛ ብሎ አቁሟል። ዩቲዩባቸው ላይ ገብታችሁ ዓመተ ምህረት በምራበ የኢትዮጵያ ከእንግሊዝ የመጣችው እህተ ማርያም ጳጉሜ አያስፈልግም የዘመን አቆጣጠሩ ይቀየር እያለች ነው። ሮም ከርቦ የመጣው ሄኖክ ኃይሌ አም የሚለው ነገር መቅረት አለበት ብሏል። የዘመን አቆጣጠሩ እንግዲህ ሊቀይሩት ይሆናል እና አህመዲን ጀበል 2018 የምንልበት ምክንያት የለም ብለዋል። አብይ አህመድ መንግስታዊ አሰራሩን በሙሉ በፈረንጆቹ ካደረገ ቆየ። ሲስተሙን ወደዛ ለውጦታል። በዚህ መሃል መጥቶ ተመልከቱት። ግቡና ሄኖክ እንትና ዘካሪያስ ኪሮስ ዘኪ የማማዝናሽ የሱ ስለሚመጣልኝ እኔ እሱ ላይ ነው ያየሁት። የደረደራቸው የአላፋት ዝማሬ የሚለው የዩቲዩብን ተመልከቱት። የ2018 ነው እንጂ የሚለው ዓመተ ምህረት የሚል የለውም። ዓመተ ምህረት ተረስቷል። እኔ እዚህ ለሚያስጠዝጠው አይደለም ይሄን የምናገረው። ቢኒያም ሽታዬ ይቀርሃል የምልህ ለዚህ ነው። እኔ ኦርቶዶክሳዊ ነኝ። ተንገብግቤ ያደኩ ነኝ። ቀኖናዋን ስርዓቷን እንደ ውሃ ጠጥቼ ያደኩ ነኝ። ካለ ሰፈሩ የመጣ ጠንጋራ ዝንብ ኦርቶዶክስ ውስጥ አውቀዋለሁ። ይሸተኛል፣ ይገማኛል፣ ይከረፋኛል ባዕድ ነገር ሲመጣ። እሱን ነው እያልኩ ያለሁት። እንደኔ ለመሆን እኔን መሆን አለብህ። 30 ዓመት ፓስተር ሆነ ሃሌሉያ ብሎ ቤተክርስቲያንን ስታደማ ስታቆስል ውለ እንኳን መጣ። ከመጣ ተቀመጥ። እኔ ሄኖክን በማይበት አይን አንተ አታየውም። ለአንተ ሄኖክ ያው ፓስተር እያለ የምታውቀው ነው። ይሄ መገለጥ እንዲመጣልህ ተቀመጥ ነው እያልኩ ያለሁት። በቢኒያም ስር ስላሉት መንጋዎች አያገባኝም። እግዚአብሔር በቤታችሁ ይፍረድ። የቤተ ክርስቲያን አምላክ ያሳያችሁ፣ በድንኳናችሁ ይግባ። የቅድስት ቤተ ክርስቲያን ሰቆቃዋ በቤታችሁ ይግባ። አምላኬ ያሳያችሁ። እኔ ስጋቴን ነው እየነገርኳችሁ ያላችሁ። ማን ነው ኢጃት? ከስሙ ራሱ ተመልከቱ። ምንም አይነት የቤተ ክርስቲያን ቅድስና የሌለ ማህበራት ሲቋቋሙ የሚቋቋሙበት አውድ አለ። ማህበራት ቅዱሳንን የሚያስቡ ማህበራት ምናምን የሚሉ ማህበራት ምናምን የስማቸው ትርጉም ራሱ በብዙ መልኩ እንትን የሚል ነው የሚሰበክበት መንገድ ማለት ነው። ጃንደረባ ትውልድ፣ የተሰለበ ትውልድ፣ ሾርት ሚሞሪያም ትውልድ የሚል ስያሜ ይዞ ከስያሜው ነው የሚጀምረው። ጃን ተከል ትክክል አይደለም ነው። ሄኖክን ጠይቋለሁ። አሁንም ምንድነው ሮሜ ሄድከው? ምንድነው ያለ ፖፕ ፍራንሲስ? ምንድነው ያለ? ምንድነው የሰጠህ? በጀቱን ከየት ነው ያመጣኸው? እንዴት ነው በዚህን ጊዜ ይሄን ያህል ቶፕ እንደዚህ እንትን ያልከው? እነ ዳንኤል እነ አብይ አህመድ እነ ሽመልስ አብዲሳ ከነሱ ተከትለህ ነው የሄድከው። ከነሱ በኋላ ነው የሄድከው። እነሱ ሄደው ከመጡ በኋላ ቤተክርስቲያን እያየች ያለችው መከራ የታወቀ ነው። አንተ ምን መከራ ልታመጣብን ነው? እየጠየቅኩ ያለሁት ይሄንን ነው። ጥያቄ ነው የጠየቅኩት። ምንድነው የሚያስከፋው? ይሄ ስልብ ትውልድ ምንድነው የሚያስከፋ? ይሄ አያስከፋህም። ትባንን አለ ነገር ስትባንን ግን ብዙ ነገር ካጣህ በኋላ ነው። ትባንን አለ ነገር ብዙ ነገር ካጣህ በኋላ ማህበረ ቅዱሳን አሁን ተውጧል። ሰንበት ትምህርት ቤቶች እየተዋጡ ነው። ይሄንን ኢጃትን እያቋቋሙ ያሉ ሰዎች የታወቁ ናቸው። እነ ማህበረ ጽዮን ናቸው። እነ ማህበረ ጽዮን ዮሐንስ ማርያም ጠበል ቤትን ይዘው እነማን ነው ማህበረ ተክለ ሃይማኖት ያሉት እንዴት ሄኖክን ቀርጸው
Hey, John, this guy Gavin, he's a snitch. Don't trust him, bro.
Really?
Yeah, don't trust him.
Yeah, keep your mouth
What do you
quiet.
want to do, 2v2?
Yeah, we'll do 2.
Yeah, let's go.
What do we do?
We
Let's
need-
try 3? Let's
Sure,
go.
we need gloves. Let's take them down. We need some
You're not
gloves.
gonna get gloves from us, bro.
What? We need glove?
Yes, glove farm.
Listen, Ahmed, you have glove? I don't have glove.
Yeah, I got gloves. Don't worry about
John
that.
has no gloves. She's been in
John, for
prison.
them, we
Let's
don't need
kick
gloves.
their asses.
Let's go, chat. Let's go.
Guys, tap. Everybody
Come.
tap, guys. And this one they can. Asdengatuacho. Tap. Asdengatuacho, guys.
John, I'm not a snitch, okay?
I'm sorry, tap, guys.
How's this dude at 6K already?
That's off tap.
6K, I'm going to go 60K, brother.
That's off tap.
100K.
man.
200
Brother,
once.
chill, brother, chill.
You chill, bro. You chill.
No, brother.
John,
I'm
you're
not
not
a
strong,
snitch.
bro. John,
No
you're not
snitch,
strong,
brother.
bro.
No snitch.
No snitch, no snitch.
Let's
I'm
go.
gonna give
Please
60K,
do
Let's
it.
go.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Macy!
Go, chat. Let's go.
Ethiopia in the building.
Here we go.
Ethiopia in the house.
Oh my
Let's
god.
go.
John.
Ergato, connect. Ergato.
You
Connect.
guys, we need a
Irregat.
Let's go, chat. Here we go.
Bro, thank you so much, bro.
Wow.
Much love and respect.
Here we go,
Danny
chat. Here we
Bayinaba.
go.
Hey,
on,
small
man.
boys.
No, you're small boy.
You're
No,
small boy.
you're very, very small boy, bro.
John,
You're
they don't have
small
sway
boy.
these two.
You'll see. You'll see.
I'm not gonna see nothing.
Yeah, huh?
John, what you go to prison? John, what did you go to prison for? Can you say?
He knows snitch.
No, bro.
Have to be quiet. Okay. I respect it.
Okay.
Baby doll, let's go. You guys, we're gonna catch him.
TUE, thank you so
Guys,
much,
30 seconds,
TUE.
30 seconds,
Big
30
love and big respect.
Hey, John,
Ask them, bro. Yes, bro.
you hijacked a plane?
No, bro, don't say that.
That's what they said.
No, don't say that, bro.
Don't say this. Shut the fuck up.
Someone nigga.
Gavin, you're gonna get us all in trouble.
Tell him, shut the fuck up, John. Tell him, shut the fuck up.
You guys go!
Ethiopia!
Go!
Tell him,
Let's go, baby. Let's go.
Let's go, Ethiopia! Ethiopia!
I'm being respectful. I am.
Ethiopia, yay! Thank you so
Rebel.
much. I have no words for you, Ethiopia. But
Here we go.
big love and big respect. Thank you so much, my brother. You're number one, Ethiopia. Thank you.
John is him. He's
Hey,
him.
small boys.
You guys, we gotta take down John. I'm telling y'all, we can do it.
Hey, small
Ahmed.
boy. You can't. No, you can't.
Hey.
Trust me, you can't.
John, we not small boy. Ahmed small boy. 66 points.
Ahmed
Can you
small boy.
get him some taps?
No problem. I got Ahmed.
I'm gonna need some taps.
Listen.
Ahmed needs-
Listen.
I'm listening.
This is how prison is. Okay. You have to stand forward for someone like Ahmed. Okay.
You're right. I'm testing you right now. I'm just making sure you stood up for your friend.
Yeah, we need to see if you got Ahmed.
You guys, let's go.
We're not gonna do nothing.
Left.
Are
Guys,
እንግሊዝኛ
we-
አልጠፋብኝም guys.
4 unis, we win. 4 unis, we win.
4 unis. Okay,
David,
2 unis to tie,
David.
2 unis to us. Here we go.
4 unis, we win, y'all. We can do this. We got unis in the
Hey,
pocket. Let's
John.
go.
Yeah, you're not gonna do nothing.
Hey,
Trust me.
how fast can you build a following?
What?
Can you build your following quick?
Yeah, bro. I'm a very, very dangerous man.
Very
Yes.
dangerous. I like it. We like
Yeah,
dangerous
yeah.
men.
Yes.
Let's go. Let's freaking go, chat. Teamwork, baby, teamwork. Give it on,
John,
man.
where you from?
I'm from Ethiopia.
Oh, okay. That's awesome. I've never been. Ahmed, have you been to Ethiopia?
Yeah, Addis Ababa, yeah.
Yes, Addis Ababa, Ethiopia.
Yeah,
Now,
tough.
very nice country.
John, I had lamb with rice and I had the ghat after.
What?
Ghat, you know ghat?
Chat, verda. Nasa. ይሄማ የተመታ ነው።
Let's go.
You like that?
Yo, listen,
Good job, guys.
Let's
Good
go.
job.
Macy,
We played,
thank
baby.
you so much.
We played a good
Macy,
little bit.
Baby doll, thank
Rebel,
you so much.
everyone tap the screen.
Everybody know
Queen
we got-
Trinity.
All
right, team, can we get it going here? It's 2 out of 3. We're
Thank
taking
you
it
so
to-
much. ኢትዮጵያ
You guys
የኔ
do the
አባት.
2 out of 3.
Good job and big respect.
In the chat.
Chris Spring Water yi.
The king of
We just wanted to see.
Spring
King of the
Water.
house.
Thank you so much. Big love and big
what you
respect.
got.
TU yi. Thank you so much. Danny yi. Abi. Bekalu yi. Madi yi. Everybody, thank you so much. Much love and respect. Listen, guys.
Yes.
Yo.
It was nice playing game with you, but you were very,
Yes, sir.
very small boys.
Yeah, they are
Done,
Next
done,
time.
done.
Come.
Ahmed, small boy.
You guys are small, I'm not gonna lie.
2 out of 3, John. Come. That was
No,
one.
you're not gonna do nothing. Trust me.
Come on, that was
Not
warm
gonna
up.
do
You've never
nothing.
seen. You've never seen. I will
Hey,
do a lot.
you've never
I'm
seen.
dangerous.
Yeah.
No, you're a small boy.
No, big boy.
Oh no, big boys.
Really, big boys.
Yeah, big boys.
Yes, but I'm a man. I'm a man. I don't play with boys.
Come, one more. One. Come.
John,
All right,
that's
all right.
small, bro.
All right,
Here.
all right.
Let's go. Let's go,
You
John.
guys, let's go. Now we play.
Guys, tap.
We play
Wait,
here,
wait.
chat. We play here. Teamwork.
Wait. Stop the match. Stop the match.
Why?
Stop. Wait. Stop.
Why?
No. Come on. Stop it.
Okay,
Yes. 3v1.
Okay.
We don't want Ahmed. Okay.
No.
Hey,
Me one. Yes.
John doesn't want Ahmed.
Ahmed's not gonna help at all.
Yes.
Here we go, chat. Here we go.
Everybody tap the screen. Everybody tap, guys. Everybody
Here
tap.
we go.
Tap, guys. በታፕ አስደንግጧቸው። Look at these small boys.
We're beating them. Come on.
We're
doing it.
We're gonna beat him. We're gonna beat
Guys,
him right
let's
here.
go.
Queen Trinity. Let's go.
Ethiopia in the building. የኔ አባት ኢትዮጵያ